This video is for the Kohler Sous. This is the R10651-SD-VS, and we've got a full-on sous chef faucet, which I'm going to be installing right here in the sink. So I just wanted to show you what's in the box. And we've got your hot and cold lines. We've got the whole faucet, which is pretty large, of course. And let's get this off of here really quick. There we go. Okay, once you get your lines in there, just kind of hold it here. But this is adjustable. You can put the faucet or the handle off to the left or the right side, whichever side you may choose to do that. Okay, but that's what it's going to start looking like. Okay, we got to put it in there, and then also in the box you get another vanity ring. If you want to use this, you can put that on there, especially if you want to cover up holes. And then you use that trim piece right there. And then you've got your lock set, a gasket, and the lock set. Okay. Otherwise, just hook it to your hot and cold. Okay. Let's hook it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And yes, I almost forgot to mention this does come with the soap dispenser. You can drill a hole right in your counter wherever you want it, but it comes with the soap dispenser. And after you get your hot and cold hooked up, this is what it looks like. This actually is a removable handle right here. You can clean out the filter inside if you want. Do some maintenance on it. It's got a push button right here to switch. Here's your magnet where it attaches. This can swivel, so if you ever just need it out of the way to put a big pot in there, you can move it out of the way. You can bring it back. We put the handle on the right side. So down is hot water, hot, and then all the way up is cold. So you can go up and down. That'll be off and hot and cold. But reaches all areas of the sink, flexes and bends pretty good. You can go anywhere you want. And then let's try the other function. Spray feature. You spray down your sink and it attaches. Now, a good thing that I like about this is that it has a very strong magnet as compared to some others that didn't really stay where they were. So yeah, as you can see, it will attach really easy. Flexible hose. This spring and the hose can be removed for maintenance and cleaning. Or otherwise, there is the Kohler Sous R10651-SD-VS.